Good morning, students. Students, welcome to your online lecture. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So, students, in our last lecture, we have learned how we can create reflection design with the help of butter paper. Yes or no? Yes. So, students, in today's lecture, we are going to color our design. Okay? So, let's start with our today's lecture. So, now students, we will see what materials we will need for today's lecture. Okay? So, as you all know, for base, we need a pen. Okay? Then we are going to use the same drawing paper on which we have already done a design. Okay? Colors, brush, color dish, bowls, some water, and if needed then sketch pen. These are the materials which we will need for today's lecture. Okay, so let's start. So students, the first color I am going to use is purple color. Okay, I am going to remove my purple color in my color dish. So students, as you all can see, I have already taken out my color in my color dish and I have used 5 to 6 drops of water because we are going to use a purple color in a design. So I have used 5 to 6 drops of water. Okay. Now students, with the help of the purple color, we will start coloring our design. And first, we are going to color our this design. And students, see where I am giving color. The same way you also going to give the color. Okay. So let's start. Students, I have used very light purple color. Means the amount of water is much and the amount of color is very less. You will also do the same way. If you all want, you all can use dark color. Otherwise, you all can also use light color as I have shown you. Be very careful at the small points which are there, because the color should not go out of that line. Students, as you all can see, I am just coloring the inside part of the design. You will also do the same way. We are not going to color the outer part. There we are going to give some other color. Before that, for all the design, we are going to use purple color only. Because it's reflection design and the color should come same only. Okay, done. Now students, the same way we are going to color in our every other design. Okay. With the help of the purple color, we will start giving the color. So students, as you all can see, slowly we are completing the designing with the purple color. Yes or no? Yes, the same purple color you also going to use. You are not going to change the color. Why I told you all to take more purple color? Because the entire designing inside part we are going to do with the purple color. So I told you all to take more purple color. If remaining, then we can keep it. We can use it in some other design also. As you all can see, students, I have completed the half part with the color. Yes or no? Yes, the half part is remaining, which we are going to color with the help of purple color only. So students, we are done with our last design also. Yes or no? Yes. The same way you are also going to do. Done? Okay. Now we are going to change our color. Before that we will wash our brush, and now we will take some other color. Okay. Another color I'm going to take orange color for the flowers. And orange color, the drops of water, we are just going to take 3 drops. Now with the help of orange color, we are going to color a flower. This flower we are going to color with the help of orange color. Okay. So let's start coloring this orange color, this flower with the help of orange color. The down flower which is there we are going to use some other color. Okay. For here we are going to use only orange color. So students, as you all can see, I have colored the flower with the help of orange color. Now students, the same orange color we are going to give to the body of a butterfly. Not for the feathers, only for the butterfly body. Okay. See, I will show you where you have to give this orange color. See students, as you all can see, there is butterfly. Yes or no? Yes. The inside part of the butterfly only we are going to color with the help of orange color. And for butterfly, we are going to use some other color. Done. Now students, we are going to change our color. Before that, we will wash our brush properly. And next color which we are going to take is red color. Okay, the same way, only we are going to take 2 drops of water, and in that we are going to mix a red color. Okay. And student, that red color we are going to give inside our color, inside our design. Okay, make sure your design is dry, then only start, otherwise the color may get spread. See students, I am only giving inside, I am not giving outside the design. So see students, where I have used the red color. The same way we are going to use in our every design. Okay. See the students, the way I have done. The same way you are also going to do. You are not going to change the color. So students, we are done with our red color also. Now we are going to take some other color. Okay. And the other color which we are going to take is yellow color. The same way we will take 1 or 2 drops of water and we are going to mix a yellow color. Okay. And students, with the help of yellow color, we are going to do a butterfly and this flower. Okay. For flower and butterfly, we are going to use same yellow color only. But make sure your color is dry. If you will keep your hand on your color and it's not dry, then your color will get spread. So make sure your color is completely dried, then only start coloring. Okay, so we are done with a yellow color also. Now students, we are going to use green color. Okay, where we are going to use a green color? In the flower dot, and the dot which is there inside the flowers and inside our design. But the water drop, I am just going to take one water drop because we will not need more green color. We will only need less amount of green color. Okay, so now with the help of green color, we will start giving the color. See over here on the flower, same over here on the flower. I have taken very light green color. If you all want, you all can use dark green color, or else you all can also use light green color only. But you are going to use green color only. Okay, we are done with the green color also. Now students, our main back part is remaining. For that we are going to use some other color. Okay, and there we are going to use light blue color. Okay, okay, so now we will complete our drawing with the help of blue color. Wherever the color is remaining, there we are going to apply blue color, and I am going to use light blue color. So students, as you all can see, I have half done with the blue color and half I am doing now. Wherever you all can see the white space, there you are going to start applying your blue color. Okay, just like this. But make sure your color is dry, the other color, otherwise it will get spoiled because of the blue color. Mostly be careful at the yellow color side, because the yellow color and the blue color, if they will get mixed, it will change the color into green color. So be very careful at the butterfly side. If little it's going inside, it's okay, but make sure it's not going more. So students, as you all can see, our reflection design color is completely done. Now students, with the help of this sketch pen, if you all want, you all can show border and this lines. Otherwise, if you will do this much, then also it's okay. And after the color will get dry, we will just show the stem of a flower with the help of brown color. But we will wait so our color will get dry. Then only we will make the stem of the flower. So students, as our color got dry, with the help of this sketch pen, we are going to show the stem like this. Okay. Now students, as I told you, if you all want, with the help of black color, you all can give the border. Otherwise, this much is enough. Okay. Now students, for your homework, you are going to do the same way as I have shown you all, and you are going to send me. When you will send your homework, you will write your full name, your standard and your division. Okay students, thank you.